friend.
You probably don't like anyway, but you got it, so you might as well. You're somebody who can make you feel, but you got it. Open up the gates for your heart is, and just be yourself.
When they're so on this.
I'm in the bench right now, up in the bench, I'll try right now. All this abroad need friends right now. I'm on my way to ends right now, right now, right now. I'm sorry, baby, yeah, I'm sorry. You know I'm a call away. Hit me up when you feel that way. Hit me up when you need someone to fill up your heart with joy today. But you won't stay the same. Shawty, you know I won't change. On you, ain't nobody gonna make you feel like you got. You should trust me right where your heart is. We can make it work. And my God, gonna make you feel like you lost. You should trust me, I'm in on it. We can make it.
Yeah, back in the block. Oh, now too young. Yeah, baby, I know I'm to blame for all of the shit. So give me a chance and I'ma get right. Hate when you're mad, I hate when we fight. Invest up in these saddles and take me go late. You was my life, I know ain't no one, but who gonna move? So them to fight, like who gonna move? Achter the mic, ik is bijna mijn feelings. Like, I need you right here. Give me a chance and let me show you that it got her things. If I never switching the lanes, praying for beautiful days. Like, I want that type of love that never ends. Yeah, time to sound get out there. You know what type of love I feel with you. I can never get it from anybody else. Like, I wanna speak the facts. I just need you.
Mafia,
Give me another chance.
and I make it right.
Vergeet van die fights, vergeet van die fights, vergeet van die pijn. Let me be the one to put a smile on the damn face. Down on my knees with you, baby, I'm praying for better days. I'm praying cause I know I'm to blame for all of the shit. So give me a chance and I'll make it right. I'll make it right. Yeah. Back in the block. I hate when you're mad, I did we fight.